Hello everyone, this is Austin, and this is going to be System Test 8, I believe. So, I know I didn't talk in my last video. We now have voice evac set up. We have the MS9200 UDLS, which I'll get to in a second, and some other stuff I've been working on. So, changes from System Test 7. Pretty much we still have the BG12LX, the LCD80, the the E70, the smoke up there. New stuff. We have another BG12LX right here. I just got done with this whole finagle, which I'll show you in a second. We'll go into the closet here, and you'll see some new stuff. First of all, there's the panel. I got it about a week ago, got it all installed, and right after I got everything installed, that's when I made the video. Up here, we have a Wheelock RSS on a trim plate, just like out in the bedroom, and then smoke up there. So as you see, we have this right here. This is the wire going from the pole station to the SLC. The reason this is here is because I cannot run it through this wall and across. I wasn't going to start drilling in and doing all that. That goes right into the side of the panel. Right there. So, that's there. That'll allow me to put stuff on this side of the wall for now on, but that's there. Just like the power right here. As you see right here, this is actually a Silent Night power supply cabinet. I got another one over here, which actually has the power supply in it. This one does not. This one is actually going to be for monitor modules, so you can see right up there. I have like piles of them right here. So they're going to go right inside there. I just have some wire being fed in from the panel. So there'll be 5 in there. It'll be like a nice light display if you open it up in the dark. Now with the panel, I'm not going to take it off just because I got too much stuff going on at the moment, but I do have a trim plate, or I'm sorry, a dress panel. So that kind of keeps it clean, so you're not jabbing stuff in, whatever. The voice card is right up in here, right behind this. Yeah, that's about it with the panel. Pole station, I think it was a BG8 was here. It is out now. This is just a tap where I have cables for the SLC coming. So like the main line coming from this, pole station come from that, meets up in here. This meets up in here, so it's like a junction. And as soon as I get those modules in, this will become active. It's already wired up, so it's ready to go. I just need to put the modules in there. And yeah, so sorry, I'm losing my voice. We'll go ahead. I'll test out the new pole station. I need to silence this quick because it's nighttime. CO detector, that's also on the system now. So I'll go ahead, do the CO detector first so you see that. Okay, so that does work. That's going to be set up on a relay for a whole nother thing that'll be coming as soon as I get the rest of the modules and all that going. Let's silence that first. Okay, so here we go.
Attention. 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 An emergency has been reported. All occupants walk to the nearest...
Alright, so same message as before. Alright, I'll show you the RSS real quick before I'll go ahead and reset this at the panel. So obviously everything's synced up. And I got like 5 or 6 of these that came in the mail. It's just a ridiculous amount. And reset. So yes, system test 9. All the modules in here will be active. And there'll be some more stuff on the system then. But till then, that's pretty much it. I like how everything's coming along. I'm glad that I now have voice evac capability and addressable, and slowly getting more devices on the system. So thanks for watching, guys.